Controlling annual weeds in lawns and gardens starts with an early season application of pre-emergent weed killer. Bonide's Crabgrass and Weed Preventer for lawns and ornamental beds contains dimension for long-term control of grassy and broadleaf weeds. This granular pre-emergent weed control product prevents weed seeds from germinating for up to 4 months. It easily controls crabgrass and over 200 broadleaf weeds from getting a foothold in your lawns or ornamental gardens. It can be used on northern and southern grasses with no harm done to the turf. Crabgrass and Weed Preventer for lawns and ornamental beds treats up to 5,000 square feet and is best applied with a drop, rotary, or handheld spreader. Even application of the granules is important for best results. Water in after application with a ½ inch of rain or water from a sprinkler. This product can be applied in early spring for prevention of early germinating weed seeds. Plus, it can be applied in the early fall to control germinating annual bluegrass and winter annual weeds such as bittercress, henbit, and common chickweed. Preventing grassy weeds like crabgrass and a wide variety of broadleaf weeds in home lawns and gardens, Bonide's Crabgrass and Weed Preventer for lawns and ornamental beds is an excellent choice. Lawn and garden pest solutions from Bonide, trusted since 1926.